Maybe we should do maybe we should do a course guide. Maybe we should. Welcome to Money Mavericks. My name is Alan, and today we're going to be discussing how to create and teach a course in business and finances. Joining me is Layla, a successful business coach who has created her own course in this field.
Aw, who's Layla?
Step 1. Choose a topic. Choosing a topic for your course is an important step, and it's important to choose a topic that you're passionate about and have knowledge in. This will make it easier for you to create content and engage with your students, and it will also help you to stand out in the market. For example, let's say Layla is an expert in business and finance, with a background in accounting and a successful career in corporate finance. She decides to create a course on business and finance, covering topics such as financial planning, budgeting, and investing. She knows that she has a wealth of knowledge and experience in this area, and she's excited to share it with her students. But choosing a topic is not just about your interest and expertise. It's also about the demand for the topic in the market. It's important to research your audience and competition to ensure that there is a demand for your course and that you can differentiate yourself from other course creators. Layla does her research and finds that there is a high demand for courses on business and finance, especially among entrepreneurs and small business owners. She also finds that there are several other courses on this topic available, but she is confident that her unique perspective and experience in corporate finance will set her course apart. Plus, let's be real, Layla is a total boss when it comes to finance, so she's got this in the bag. But will she be able to teach it as well as she practices it? Only time and her student reviews will tell.
Oh yeah, Layla would know all about financial management and entrepreneurship. Wait, how do you know? Something you are not telling me?
I'm starting to think you are not getting anything. Step 2. Research your audience and competition. Researching your audience and competition is an important step in creating a successful course, and it's important to take the time to do thorough research to ensure that you are targeting the right audience and that your course stands out in the market. To research your audience, you will want to consider who your ideal student is and what their needs and goals are. This will help you to tailor your course content and marketing efforts to appeal to your target audience. For example, Layla knows that her course on business and finance will appeal to entrepreneurs and small business owners, so she does some research to better understand their needs and goals. She finds that many of these individuals are looking to improve their financial management skills and grow their businesses, and she decides to focus her course on these topics. It's also important to research your competition to ensure that your course stands out in the market. You will want to look at other courses on the same or similar topics and consider what sets your course apart. Layla does her research and finds that there are several other courses on business and finance available, but she is confident that her unique perspective and experience in corporate finance will set her course apart. She also decides to focus on practical skills and real-world examples to make her course more hands-on and applicable to her students' businesses. Oh, great, another course on business and finance. Like the world needs another one of those.
Come on, you know you're just jealous that you didn't think of it first. Plus, my course is going to be the best one out there. Just wait and see.
What the f***? You were in his bed this whole time? Maybe we should do a course guide on a good Tinder profile next, huh? Step 3. Outline your course. Outlining your course is an important step in the course creation process, as it will help you to organize your content and ensure that your course flows logically and covers all of the important topics. There are several things to consider when outlining your course, such as the overall structure and flow, the length of the course, and the specific topics and subtopics that you will cover. For example, our course on business and finance is structured as follows. Module number 1. Introduction to Financial Planning and Budgeting. Overview of financial planning and budgeting, setting financial goals, creating a budget, tips for sticking to a budget. Module number 2. Investing for Business Growth. Overview of investing for business growth, types of investments, risk management, tips for successful investing. Module number 3. Advanced Financial Management Techniques. Financial statement analysis, cash flow management, financial forecasting, advanced budgeting techniques. We also decided to include several bonus materials, such as worksheets, templates, and case studies, to provide our students with practical tools and resources to apply what they've learned. I can't believe I have to sit through another financial planning and budgeting lecture. Oh, come on, it's not that bad. And besides, you know you secretly love budgeting and financial planning. Admit it. Yeah, about as much as I love getting a root canal. Ouch, that sounds painful. But trust me, our course is going to make financial management a lot less painful for you. And who knows, maybe you'll even come to enjoy it. I know something else I would enjoy. Or someone. Step 4. Create your course content. Now that you have outlined your course and have a clear idea of what you will be teaching, it's time to create your course content. This can be a time-consuming process, but it's important to take the time to create high-quality, engaging content that will provide value to your students. There are several ways to create course content, and the best approach will depend on your specific goals and preferences. Some options include recording video lectures. This is a popular option for online courses, as it allows you to demonstrate concepts and provide visual examples. You can use screen recording software to record yourself speaking and presenting materials, or you can use a video camera to record yourself in a more traditional lecture format. Creating written materials. This can be a good option for courses that are heavy on text-based content, such as business and finance. You can create written materials such as PDFs, slideshows, or text-based lectures to provide information to your students. Creating interactive materials. This can be a great way to engage your students and make your course more interactive. You can create quizzes, surveys, or other interactive elements to help your students learn and retain information. For our business and finance course, we decided to create a combination of video lectures, written materials, and interactive elements. We use screen recording software to create video lectures that demonstrate concepts and provide visual examples. And we create PDFs and slideshows to provide additional information and resources to our students. We also create quizzes and surveys to help our students test their knowledge and apply what they've learned.
Man, I can't believe how long it's taken to create all of this course content.
Yeah, it can be a bit time-consuming, but it's worth to create high-quality content that will provide value to your students. Plus, the more effort you put into creating your course, the more successful it will be.
I guess you're right, but seriously, how much longer are we going to be stuck in this office? I'm starting to feel like Tom Hanks in that movie where he's stuck on an island.
I know how you feel, but hang in there, we're almost done. And who knows, maybe you'll even come to enjoy creating course content. It can be pretty satisfying to see your students learn and grow. Step 5. Launch and promote your course. Now that you've created your course content, it's time to launch and promote your course. This is an important step, as it will determine how many students you will be able to enroll in your course and how successful it will be. There are several ways to launch and promote your course, and it's important to consider a combination of tactics to reach as many potential students as possible. Some options include using social media. Social media is a powerful tool for promoting your course, as it allows you to reach a large audience quickly and easily. You can use platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram to share your course and engage with potential students. Utilizing email marketing. Email marketing is a great way to reach your existing audience and promote your course. You can create email campaigns to promote your course and send them to your email list, or you can use targeted email marketing to reach potential students who may be interested in your course. Partnering with influencers. Partnering with influencers can be a great way to promote your courses to a larger audience. You can work with influencers in your niche to promote your course and reach their followers. For our business and finance course, we decide to use a combination of social media, email marketing, and influencer partnerships to promote our course. We create social media posts and ads to share our course and engage with potential students. And we create email campaigns to reach our existing audience and targeted email lists. We also partner with influencers in the business and finance industry to promote our course and reach their followers.
So are we finally done?
Almost. Launching and promoting your course is an important step, but it's not the last one. We still need to monitor and optimize our efforts to ensure that our course is successful.
I was afraid you were going to say that. Can't we just relax and enjoy our success for a little bit?
No problem. We can relax and enjoy our success for a little bit, but it's important to remember that monitoring and optimizing our course is crucial for its continued success. Here are some tips for monitoring and optimizing your course. Track your sales and enrollment numbers. It's important to track your sales and enrollment numbers to see how your course is performing. This will give you insight into what's working and what's not, and you can use this information to make changes and improve your course. Analyze student feedback. Student feedback is an important source of information for improving your course. Make sure to gather and analyze feedback from your students to see what's working and what could be improved. Update and add new content. Keep your course fresh and relevant by regularly updating and adding new content. This will keep your students engaged and encourage them to continue learning. Experiment with pricing and promotions. Experiment with different pricing and promotion strategies to see what works best for your course. You can try offering discounts, bundling products, or running special promotions to see how they impact your sales and enrollment numbers. By monitoring and optimizing our business and finance course, we can ensure that it's successful and continues to grow. We track our sales and enrollment numbers, gather and analyze student feedback, update and add new content, and experiment with pricing and promotions to see what works best. And with these strategies, we can continue to make our course the best it can be and help as many students as possible succeed in the world of business and finance. Becoming an e-commerce affiliate can be a rewarding and lucrative career, and by following these steps, you will be well on your way to success. Just remember to choose a niche that you're passionate about, find the right affiliate programs, set up your e-commerce store, promote your products, track your performance, and optimize and scale your efforts. With hard work, dedication, and a little bit of luck, you'll be able to achieve your goals and make a living online. Thanks for joining us on Money Mavericks, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on all things e-commerce and affiliate marketing. And a special shout out to Layla for being such a rockstar e-commerce affiliate and for sharing her journey with us. We can't wait to see what she accomplishes next. So there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to create and teach a course on business and finances. With a little bit of planning, hard work, and dedication, you too can become a successful course creator in this lucrative niche. Just remember to choose a topic you're passionate about, research your audience and competition, create high-quality content, and engage and support your students. And don't forget to have a little bit of fun and inject some personality into your course. It's what will set you apart from the rest. Good luck on your course creation journey, and we'll see you in the next video. If you found this video informative, here are a couple of videos to keep you going. Thank you for watching.